Okay, so in this unit, Laplace domain analysis method is used. It is used to you will going to solve the RL, RC, and RLC same type of the circuit. Laplace domain method only you will going to use to you will going to solve. What is answer? What is answer? You previously got the transient response. The same answer of that one you will going to get on that one RL, RC, RLC. So previously transient response for only 4 steps. What are the 4 steps? Step number 1 KVL find out. Step number 2 comparison, compare with dx by dt plus px, it is equal to q to find out the p and q. And step number 3 substitute the non-homogeneous if source is present, otherwise homogeneous source is not present. Okay, sources are free sources. So you will going to come, you will going to substitute the p value and the q value, okay, in the homogeneous or non-homogeneous equation. Then step number 4, t is equal t and I is equal to 0 if it is the only one switch. If it is a two switches means t is equal to 0, I is equal to equation 0. Okay, so like about the 4 steps you were seen about the transient response. So let's we go ahead on the Laplace transformer method, Laplace domain method to solve the RL circuit, RC circuit and RLC circuit. The same I of t value you will going to get how many steps? So how many steps means it is also 4 steps only. Step number 1 same. What is the same? Apply KVL. Step number 2, what is that one? Laplace transformer. Step number 3, partial differential equation. If it is a situation, then you will go to apply the partial differential equation. What is a partial situation means? For example, your problem is coming in denominator 10 divided by or something numerator divided by d. Okay, s plus a or s plus 10. If it is coming means how many s are there? Only one terms of the s only there. Only one s are there. So you need not to go for that partial differential equation. Then suppose your problem or your derivation is coming, for example 10 divided by s into s plus 10 like it is coming. Otherwise it is coming like 10 divided by s s plus 5. Okay, s plus 5 into s plus 10. So like 2 times it is s is coming means, so if it is coming means you can go to that partial differential equations, partial differential equations. So it is not necessary because only one s directly I will go. So it is the two s's are there, so s terms are there, so I will go ahead on the partial differential equation. Okay, this is step number 3. Step number 4, inverse Laplace transformer. Inverse Laplace transformer, only the 4 steps. So step number 1 is KVL, previous also KVL, this one also KVL. Step number 2, Laplace transformer. Step number 3, partial differential equation. Step number 4, inverse Laplace transformer. Only 4 steps you will going to apply. So previously transient response you were seen about that one non-homogeneous, homogeneous. Here is not. So don't worry about no equation, no homogeneous equation, no non-homogeneous equation, no comparison. Don't worry. Then what to do here? So here is a source is present means write the source. If the source is not present means 0 you can write in KVL equation as similar. Only KVL equations. Okay, then so only what are the steps? Only 4 steps. So only 4 steps. So apply the KVL, Laplace transformer, and then partial differential equation, inverse Laplace transformer. So Laplace transformer, inverse Laplace transformer. So that's all. So only 4 steps. So you know already what is a KVL. Voltage drop is equal to voltage rise. Voltage rise is equal to voltage drop. V is equal to VR plus VL. V is equal to VR plus VC. Then what is a Laplace transformer? Laplace transformer means, so d by dt means you will going to write about the s. Okay, yeah, Laplace transformer of the differentiation one time it will going to write about the s. So I will show you the some more equations. Okay, similarly Laplace transformer I of t, it is means I of s. I will show you I of s. Here I will going to give you. Then partial differential equation we were discussed. Okay, then inverse Laplace transformer means what? Here Laplace power minus 1, that is called the inverse. Inverse Laplace transformer I of the, okay, so I of s means the I of s is a replaced into that one I of t. So just opposite. Here I of t is replaced into the I of s. I of s is replaced into the I of t. So that's just opposite. So that is called the inverse Laplace transform. Okay. So coming to here, model. There is a model means there is a two model is there. So model number one switch is only A switch is only present, only one switch. Model number two, okay, two switches are present. So the only you can keep it. So in don't worry about that one switch number B whether source is present or not. Source is present, don't worry. Source is present means write the V. Source is not present means write the 0. So don't worry about that one. Step 4, do I want to substitute T is equal to 0, I is equal to. So don't worry, but only one thing you can keep in your mind, whether the model number 1 means this is a model number 1, 1 switches, model number 2 means 2 switches. So as usual, model number 2 means, okay, I value is very important. I value is equal to V by R. As similar to that transient response, I is equal to V by R. That V by R substituted into the first place itself, here only. That's all. Okay, this is called I of 0 plus. That I of 0 plus you will going to substitute here for this place. Immediately you will go to substitute. So this is only one point. So here is a nothing. So here only one switches means you will going to know I of 0 plus means this equation, this is a point. See, I will going to replace into 0. Both also RL circuit. Both also RL circuit. What is the difference? R into I plus L into di by dt, it is equal to V. This is a KVL equations. KVL equation of this one. Okay, it's a, what about this equation? This is a B equation. For example, source is not present, 0. Source is not present, 0. Okay, then R into I, okay, plus L into, as usual here also same, S into I of S minus I of 0 plus. The I of 0 plus means what? As usual that one switch A you will going to found V by R. As usual previous problem method. As usual previous problem method. So you will going to find out the I of 0 plus. Okay, like you will going to look it on the summing up. So RL is a RL circuit. Okay, switch A only present. If switch A only present means this is the steps. Okay, and two switches are present means step 0 is coming. Step 0 is coming. Okay, I of 0 plus V by R. V by R, that's all. So that is a step. If it is a two switches is a present cases. So switch number 1 is only present means step 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, draw that one KVL. Okay, what are the 4 steps? This are 4 steps. So first step KVL. Yes, KVL you will going to apply RL circuit. For example, VR plus VL. So VL means you know that one. So first step is a KVL, you know that one familiarly. Then second step, what is that one? Laplace transformer. So Laplace transformer, okay, you will going to apply the Laplace transformer. So in the circuit you will going to apply that one Laplace transformer, which only one A is only present. So keep in your mind. So taking the Laplace transformer means in the circuit you will going to take the Laplace transformer. So V by S, it is equal to VR. What is that one? I into R. So I into R plus L into di by dt. L into di by dt. So L into, so this is a taking the Laplace transformer S dot I of S minus I of 0 plus. So this is a general equation from the this equations. Laplace transformer. Laplace transformer. In that one switch A only present. If the switch A only present means the I of 0 plus is I don't want to consider it because it's a 0. That's all. Then I will going to rewrite this is green color I have represented. So from that one I needed only I of S. I of S only I needed. This is also I of S. So I of S only you can rewrite. That is the equation number 1. Then after that a partial differential equation you can substitute it. Find the A, B value you can substitute it, and then partial differential equation you will going to complete it. Then after completed I of t, as usual I of t is coming, no, I of yes it is coming. Then in that one inverse Laplace transformer you can apply. In that step number 3 is over, then apply the inverse Laplace transformer. So 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So only one is a switch A is present, don't consider. Simple to say, it's a formula is this formula. L into S into I, oh, that's all. If two switches are present, at the case what to do, step number 0 you will going to find out the I value as similar. So as similar to that transient response, find out that I value. After find out the I value, then KVL first equation, Laplace transform second equation. In the second equation, I of s into, okay, s into I of s minus I of 0. Don't put it on 0. Previously 0, but here don't put it on 0. That's all. So here you can substitute this equation. Previously you have put it on 0 this place. Now don't substitute on the 0. Substitute this answer. However, then apply the third step, apply the fourth step. No changes. See, no changes about step 3, no changes about step 4, no changes about step 1, and no changes about step 2 also. Only one thing, whether this I of 0 plus is do I want to substitute into the 0 or equation 0. If it is means one switches means substitute into the 0. If it is that two switches are present means substitute into that this answer. Okay, so we're going to see before we're going to see about that derivations, very simple about that one. Okay, and what I want to see, RL circuit, RC circuit and RLC circuits, only for DC excitation. Okay, if it is only one switch, then all are the same steps, 4 steps, all are the 4 steps are same similar. Step number 1 KVL, step number 2 Laplace transform, step number 3 apply the partial differential equation. It's a partial differential equation. Step number 4 inverse Laplace transformer. This is a common. So if it is RC means VR plus VC. If it is RLC means VR plus VL plus VC. That's all. Okay. So this is a common about that one. Okay. If it is see that one step 0, I don't write it. If I am not right about the step 0 means what you want to assume. So automatically the circuit is the only one switch. The circuit is the only one switch. So that's why step 0 is not present. If step 0 is written means the circuit has that two switches. That's all. Okay. Let's we will going to see about the this is about the Laplace transformer, about the equations, and then solving I will going to show you. So most of the MCQ from that this slide only. So up to completed this slide only, MCQ up to completed this slide only. Before the derivations, I will going to ask you multiple number of the MCQ from these slides only. Okay, coming to that one, first one, Laplace transformer. L of I of t means replace into I of s. L into d by dt I of t means d by dt is replaced into the s into I of s. This is a Laplace transformer. Then L of v means it is a replaced into the v by s. L of 10 means 10 divided by s. Okay, constant. If it is constant means constant divided by s. V by s. Then integrations. Okay, Laplace transform 1 divided by c into integration I of t means, so 1 divided by c is a constant. Okay, constant means here is s. So s into this is I of s. I of t is a replace into the I of s. Then L into 5 into I of s means 5 into I of t. Sorry, here is I of t is equal to 5 into I of t is equal to 5 into here is I of t is equal to 5 into I of s. Sin Laplace transform sin a of t. Sin a of t means a divided by s square plus a square. So this is about the Laplace transformer. You need to know and you need to substitute. The next one, inverse Laplace transformer. So inverse Laplace transformer you should know. So 1 divided by s minus a. What is there? Minus a is there. 1 divided by minus a is there. Then what is answer? E power plus a. If it is a plus a means minus. So see there s plus r by l. What is the here? S plus r by l. So plus r by l. So e power minus. So e power minus. Just it is that one. Similarly here what is there? 1 divided by e. I'm giving somewhat confused with them. So 1 divided by okay. So yes, open the bracket and close the bracket. Yes, now you can tell me. So inverse Laplace transformer 1 divided by s plus, here do you want s plus a or s minus a? So so here what is that one? So plus is there means minus 1 divided by this terms. 1 divided by this terms. Then s plus 4 e power minus 4t plus a. So plus a means e power minus at. 1 divided by s means 1. So inverse Laplace transform omega divided by s plus a whole square plus omega square. What is the form? What is the answer? E power minus at divided by sin omega t. Then inverse Laplace transform a divided by s square plus a square means sin at. So previously you were seen just opposite. So that's all about this. If you know about these two slides, you will going to easy to you can complete about the derivation. And one more thing you will going to know about that one. There is a three different type of the input, either step input or ramp input or impulse input. Input vi. Input source, DC source, input DC source. So instead of the DC source is a 10 voltage, I will going to say about step input means you can substitute 1 by s. If it is ramp input means substitute 1 by s squared. If it is impulse input means substitute the 1. That's all. So don't worry, we're going to see about one derivations, easy to you will going to understand. Okay, so these are derivations. Already I said about here how many switches are there? Only one switches are there. So step 0 is not present. Only one switches is there means step 0 not present. If it is only one switches is present means only one switches means I of 0 is a, this term is a equal to the 0. That's why red color I have mentioned. Then you are going to replace this terms r into I plus L into S into I of S. It is equal to V by S. That's all. So step number 1, apply the KVL. So here you will going to apply the KVL. What is the KVL? V is equal to VR plus VL. What is a VR? I into R. What is a VL? L dot di by dt. It is equal to V. So first equation is first step. First equation is over. Then apply the Laplace transformer. Laplace transformer you can apply. So R into I of S. So that's why I show you this slide. Okay. Then so apply the Laplace transformer in that equation. R into I of S plus L into d by dt is replaced into the S dot I of t. So I of S, it is equal to V is replaced into that one V by S. So refer only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 7 equation enough. You will going to refer to, you will going to complete about this RL, RC and RLC and then related problems. Okay. So I will going to apply the Laplace transformers. See here why I am not right about the minus I of the 0 plus means I don't want to write. Why? Why I don't want to write? Because only one switch. This is the equations. But I am writing about this equation. Why? I am substituted. Why? Because no only one switches. So that's why I will going to write this equations. So I will going to write about this equation directly. So R of I of S plus L into S into I of S, it is equal to V by S. This is answer. I will going to write it directly. Then after that, what to do? Write I of S. So I of S. So move outside. R plus LS, it is equal to V by S. Only I of S is keep it on the left hand side. This term move opposite side. This is the equation. I got it. Equation number I got completed. So equation number one is completed. Step number 3, go to that partial fraction. Why? See, S into S plus R by L is there. So how to write the partial fraction? If you doesn't know the mathematics, please listen. So I of S is equal to this right hand side. So take the right hand side, V by L divided by the denominator. I am writing here. That is equal to what is that one? I of S. So take this what is this one? This right hand side. Particularly in the right hand side answer, what is the denominator? S into S plus R by L. So take this one, blue color, change it. Particularly take denominator. That denominator, write it how many times? 1 times, 2 times. Then A divided by this times plus B divided by this times you can write. That's all. This is a partial differential equation, writing this step number 1. Partial differential equation, writing the step number 1. If you are not familiar in mathematics, please listen. So you need to know about partial differential equations. What to do? First one, right hand side only you want to take the target. Then second one, step number 2, what to do? In the denominator only your target. Denominator is what is there? How many terms are there? 2 terms. S term is 1 term and a bracket term is another terms. Then A divided by S terms plus B divided by this terms you can write. That's all. Now you need to find out what is the a value and b value. How to find out the a value and b value? So take it this one, I of a, this is a one, see written, I have written a dot by s, it is equal to I of s. Then a is equal to s into I of s, s into I of s. So easily I will go and write. Then substitute the I of s. What is I of s? First equation, substitute it. After substituted, then cancel. So cancel the s into s and substitute the s equal to 0, you can substitute. So 0 plus r by l, so v by l, so r a value I got it. Similarly, b value I need to find out. Then I of s is equal to b divided by this one. Then b is equal to I of s into this one. Substitute the I of s. I have put the circle. So you can substitute. I will, wherever I will going to put the circle means I will going to substitute in the point. I will going to touch in the point. So I of s I will going to substitute it. Yes, I will going to replace. Then denominator and the numerator is same. So cancel. Then what is the remaining term? This is a terms. Okay. Then s is equal to what I will going to substitute it. So here I want to substitute it. What I want to substitute it means here what is the plus r by l is there. Plus r by l is there means I will going to substitute minus r by l. What will happen? Plus 5 minus 5 0. So easily I will going to cancel. So here plus 5 available. Then I will going to substitute the minus 5 minus 5. So minus r by l I need to substitute. That's why I have right. I will going to substitute minus r by l here. Then easily I will going to cancel. My answer B answer I got it. So now you can got the two, one a value and b value. So a value, b value can if you are get it on that one, substitute into the this equation. If there is a a place and a b place, you can substitute. Then after that apply the inverse Laplace. So let's see, a value v by r, b value minus v by r. Substitute. So v by r minus v by r, substitute. Then step number 4, apply the inverse Laplace transformer. So I of s is replaced into the I of t. 1 divided by s is replaced into that one only. Okay. Inverse Laplace transform 1 divided by s is equal to 1 only. So here how many equation is there? See that one 7 equation. Here is a 10 equation. So 10 plus 7, totally 17 equation you can keep in your mind, enough for you to complete about this derivations. So this point is a 1 into, so v by r into 1. So v by r minus v by r into s plus a. S plus a. What is s plus a? S plus a so equal to e power minus at. E power minus at. So e power minus 4t. E power minus 1 by rc. All are similar. E power minus r by l. E power plus at. That's all. So see that one, its equation is need not to, you can mug up. It's a simple concept. Okay. S plus a means e power minus at. So plus, so e power minus r by l, e power minus r by l into this constant. That's all. So which one is a common? You can move outside. That's all. Derivation is over. So 4 steps is this is the 4 steps you can complete it. This is this I of t is similar to the transient response I of t. This I of t is similar to the transient response I of t. The problem also solving the same 4 step method. So about the transient response or Laplace transformer method, the I of t answer is common. I of t answer is common. Similarly, solving the problem also the common. Solving the answer, even answer of the problem is also common. Okay, only one. So there is a 4 different steps. Here is a 4 different of the steps. Step number 1 is common, KVL. Step number 2, Laplace transformer. Step number 3, partial differential equation. Step number 4, inverse Laplace transformer. So you should be know about Laplace transformer equations. So this 7 equation if you are know enough, and then inverse Laplace transformer 10 equation know, and particularly only this concept is know, it is easy. Either s plus a, okay, s plus a or s minus a. If it is s plus a means e power minus at. S minus a means e power plus at. That's all. In the a place is you can replace into any terms. Replace a place I will going to replace into that one 5. Then what to do? Then plus 5 e power minus 5, e power minus 5. So a place is replaced into that one this place r by c. Okay, then r by c. A plus is replaced into 4 plus 4, so minus. Okay, only 1 by s, then the answer is 1. Then this is a you need to know. Okay, so then partial differential equation you know. Okay, let's we go ahead on that one more derivation I will teach you. You may be see about your level of understanding. Okay, RC circuit, the fourth step is no change. So do I will going to change any 4 steps? No. KVL, Laplace transformer, partial differential equation, inverse Laplace transformer, no change. Okay, then next one. Okay, does the circuit is consist of the one switch or two switches? Only one switch. So step 0 not present. If step 0 is not present means remove this one. Then what is the equation? This is the equations. Here is what is that one? R and C is there. R and C is there means L should not be present. L means it is applicable only for RL circuit. Then what is that one? V is equal to VR plus VC. V is equal to VR plus VC. What is the VR? VR is equal to I into R. What is the VC? VC is equal to 1 by C integration I of t. So substitute on the VC. What is the right hand side? So in the right hand side is a V. Okay, voltage. Step number 1 is over. Step number 2. What is the step number? Apply the Laplace transformer. In the equation, you can apply the Laplace transform R into I of s plus, okay, this terms already we were discussed. What is answer? Laplace transform of this answer. So 1 divided by C into S into I of s. So that one. It is equal to right hand side V. So V by S. So I have applied the Laplace transformer with steps. Then left hand side, which one is common? I of s is common. Then take it move away. Then what is the remaining? R plus 1 by s. It is equal to V by s. So only I of s is you can keep it on the left hand side. Then this term is you can move opposite side. So V dot by s into denomination will come. So third, okay. So in that one, you will going to see that one V by s into. So this terms is there LCM you can take R into SC plus 1 divided by SC. Then rewrite about that one. This is coming numerator side. But before that one, S and S is cancelled. So C only there. C is coming to the numerator. BC into 1 plus R S into RC. S into RC. Left hand side I of S. Then I of S is equal to VC. I want to keep it only S inside. So RC I will going to move outside. So S plus 1 divided by RC into RC. Because only I want to write about S only. Laplace transform if you are studied you know that one. Then C cancel. What is the remaining? V by R into this terms. So here how many S terms? Only one terms are there. So don't worry, don't need not to you can go the partial differential equation because only one terms. So this is a constant. So S plus A. What is answer? S plus A. So e power minus. So yes, see that one. I will going to apply the Laplace inverse Laplace transform 1 divided by S plus A. So S plus A. What is that one? E power minus A. So what is the A terms? 1 by RC. Why I don't want to go to the partial differential equation? Because only one S terms. Yes, only one S terms. So don't worry. Don't need to go don't go there. Okay, this is RC circuits. Okay, let's you can go to that RLC circuit. RLC circuit also same similar, but here you can see that one small changes is coming because of the three terms. What is the first one? Apply the KVL. KVL V is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. Then see that one R into I L into di by dt plus 1 dot by C integration 0 to t I dot dt. It is equal to V or E. So E is given. I have right. This is the first equation I completed. What is second equation? Apply the Laplace transformer. So step 0 is not present, so this one is not necessary. Okay, then R into I of s plus L into d by dt. So S dot I of s. So this term is not necessary. So 0 only. If step 0 is present, it is important. Plus this terms I of s into 1 divided by I of s divided by C dot S. One more questions. I will ask you from that one. What is that Laplace transformer of this equation? Laplace transformer of this equation is equal to, you need to write I of s divided by C dot S. So what is the Laplace transformer of the d by dt? into I of s. So s dot I of s. You need to write one more question. Then Laplace transform of the e. Then e by s. So the Laplace transform is substituted. So second equation is I got completed. Okay. So remove this ones. Then I will going to see that one here I of s, I of s, I of s commonly move outside. Then r plus l into s plus 1 dot by cs into I of s, and then right hand side. Then what I needed, only I of s is keep it on left hand side. This entity term you can move opposite side, coming as a denominations. Then after that what to do? So I want to so keep it only yes. So L is I will going to move outside, yes I will going to move inside. So L I want to move outside. So here R by L, here L S C will come. S is so you can move inside. S is to move inside S squared plus R S plus S numerator s and denominator s is cancelled. So this is the first equations. So in the first equations, okay, then next one partial fraction you will going to apply. So apply the partial fractions. So here is a denominator is a s is a terms is there. So this terms it is a s square plus s plus constant is present. Then it is equal to 0. So as usual the formula, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. You can substitute it, find out the alpha value and beta value, find out the alpha and beta and substitute into the formula. This, what is this one? This is a equation. This equation, what is that? Got it, alpha value and beta value. Then what you can substitute? S minus alpha plus beta into S minus alpha minus beta plus beta minus beta. Then this is the answer for replace into this terms. Replace into this terms. That's all. So this term is a replace into this terms. So I will going to resubstitute it. Okay. So I didn't go for the inverse Laplace transformer. Then you can go ahead on the inverse Laplace transformer. So otherwise you will going to stop here. Okay. I of s is a replace into the I of t. It is equal to E by L. E by L. And write it this one. Okay. See, this is about that one RL, RC and RLC circuit. RL, RC and RLC. So if you have know about that one inverse Laplace transformer and a Laplace transformer, you will going to go ahead. Okay, yeah. See that one model 2 I am taking on the model 2. What is the model 2? So two switches are there. Switch number A and switch number B is there. If switch number A, E and B is present, means two switches are present, means step 0 is I need to solve. What is the step 0? Step 0 means switch number A is closed. Then I want to find out what is here. Yes, step 0. Okay, so only the resistance only present, inductance is not that one. At the time of the close the switch number A or 1 switch, so inductance is 0. So I will going to sort it, even close it. So like, and then find out the I value. I is equal to V by R. V divided by R. Then amps is a 4 amps. So keep in your mind. Then after that you have the 4 steps. Step number 1 KVL. So in that one, so only you can consider this switch number B is closed. So in that one KVL I will want to redraw the diagrams. Then apply the KVL. V is equal to VR plus VL. Then V value is equal to 10 is equal to 5 into R. 5 I into R. So I is into R is a 5 plus L into di by dt. L value into d by dt that I of t. So this is about the KVL. Then step number 2, what is that one? Step number 2 is apply the Laplace transformer. So Laplace transformer I will going to apply. So this side is constant. So 10 divided by s, it is equal to 5 into I of s plus 0.5 into s into I of s, s into I of s minus in that terms. So minus I of 0 plus. The I of 0 plus is if equation 0 is if this is not available, then you will going to replace into 0. If it is available means the 4 need to substitute. 4 need to substitute. Okay, see that one. Okay, so here 5 into I of s plus 0.5 s plus I of s. So I of s is there. I will take it common in I of s. So 5 plus 0.5 s minus, why minus? Because minus I of s, 0.5 into I of 0 plus. So 0.5 into I of 0 plus. This is the terms. What is the 0 plus? 4. So 0.5 into 4, 0.5 into 4. So what is answer? 2. The 2 is minus 2. Move our opposite side, plus 2. Plus 2. Okay, what is left hand side? This one. Only keep it on I of s. This terms you can move opposite side. I have moved. Then what to do? Simplify. Okay, here is s terms. Only keep it on s terms. 0.5. Move outside. So move outside 0.5. 5 divided by 0.5. S plus 5 divided by 0.5. Then here, so 10 divided by 0.5 plus 2 divided by 0.5, then 4. Then 10 divided by 0.5, 20. Okay, this is a further. S into S plus 10. So this is I of S. I of S. Then step number 3, partial differential equation. So partial differential equation, I of S is equal to this one. It is equal to A divided by only denominator, not numerator. Numerator also S is there, but a denominator only consider. So how to consider? Please look it on all of you. A divided by S plus B divided by this answer. It is equal to the numerator. It is equal to the numerator. So it is equal to numerator. So then now you have the options to find out the A and B. Very simple, all of you can keep in your mind. Partial differential equation, if you are know, then only you can solve. So how to solve means very simple. First S is equal to 0, 1 terms you can substitute to, you can get it on any one of the either A or B. S is a 0, you can substitute. Second one, plus 10 is there, then what to do? Minus 10. So minus 10 and plus 10 automatically 0. So 0 into anything 0. Okay, 0 into anything 0. So this is a terms. Automatically this terms only remaining. So S is equal to minus 10. Minus 10 into plus 10 automatically 0. 0 into anything 0. So leave it. Then minus 10 into 5 minus 10 into B, it is equal to 20 plus 4 into minus 10. Then minus 10 plus 20, so minus 20, it is equal to B into minus 10. Then B is equal to this answer, B value. Then A value, S equal to 0, 0, 0. So 0 into everything 0. So A into 10, left hand side 0 into 0. So 20 only. So 20 divided by 10, then 2 answer. Then A is 2, B is 2, substitute, substitute, substitute. Then I of S is replaced into I of t, inverse Laplace transform 2 into 1. So plus 2 into 1, 2. Then 2 into e power a, plus a means minus 10t. That's all. You got it on that. This is the answer. This is a problem you are going to solve it. Yes or no? Through the Laplace transformer. The same method you will going to solve on the transient response method. What to do? First numbers as usual, switch number A is closed. Step 0, I value you can found. Then what is about that step 1 to step 4? Step 4 only you can keep in your mind, I is equal to 4 and t is equal to 0. Step 1 KVL. Step 2 comparison. What is the comparison? P value and Q value. Okay, P value this one, Q value this one. Then step 3, is it source is present? Yes, source is present means non-homogeneous. Non-homogeneous equation. This is the equation. Substitute the P place, 3 place, 1, 2, 3 place, and 1 place in the Q. Then complete integrations. Then I of t. Okay, then step number 4, substitute the t is equal to 0. Okay, t is equal to 0, I is equal to 4. I is equal to 4, you can substitute. Don't substitute the t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0. Don't substitute I is equal to 4, you need to substitute. If you are going to substitute k value, you will going to get the 4. Then substitute into this equation. Substitute into this equation. Then you will going to simplify. You will going to get it under the I of t. So 2 plus 2 into e power minus 10t. Otherwise 2 into 1 plus e power minus 10t. So I got it on the same answer. 2 plus 2 into e power minus 10t. Okay, so either go to the transient response or the Laplace transformer method, your answer is same.